What if one small gadget could save your life in the middle of nowhere? Whether you're camping deep in the wilderness, hiking remote trails, preparing for emergencies, or simply love cool outdoor technology, survival gadgets have become smarter, tougher, and more advanced than ever before. Modern survival gear is no longer just about knives and flashlights. Today's gadgets combine technology, portability, and innovation to help you stay safe, connected, and prepared in extreme situations. From solar-powered tools and satellite communicators to life-saving water filters and tactical multi-tools, these products are designed to handle real outdoor challenges. And the best part? Every gadget featured in today's video is available on Amazon, making it easier than ever to upgrade your survival kit. So get ready, because today we're counting down the 10 next-level survival gadgets on Amazon that every outdoor enthusiast should see. Let's begin. Number 10. THERMACELL Portable Mosquito Repeller. Starting off our list at number 10 is the THERMACELL Portable Mosquito Repeller. Anyone who spends time outdoors knows how annoying mosquitoes can become. They can ruin camping trips, disturb sleep, and make relaxing outdoors almost impossible. The THERMACELL changes that completely. Unlike messy bug sprays and lotions, this device creates an invisible protection zone around you. It works by heating a small repellent mat that keeps mosquitoes away for hours. The biggest advantage is convenience. There's no sticky spray, no strong chemical smell, no need to constantly reapply protection. The device is compact enough to fit inside a backpack pocket and lightweight enough for hiking trips. Many campers use it while cooking outdoors, fishing, sitting around campfires, sleeping near tents. Some newer models are rechargeable and weather-resistant, making them even more practical for long outdoor adventures. Mosquitoes may seem like a small problem, but when you're camping for several days, proper protection can make a massive difference. That's why the THERMACELL earns a spot on this list. Number 9. SURVIVEWARE Comprehensive First Aid Kit. At number 9, we have the SURVIVEWARE Comprehensive First Aid Kit. Every survival setup should include a high-quality medical kit. In emergency situations, having the right supplies nearby can be incredibly important. What makes the SURVIVEWARE kit stand out is organization. Instead of throwing random supplies into a bag, everything is clearly labeled and arranged for quick access. Inside you'll find bandages, trauma pads, scissors, emergency blankets, medical tape, antiseptic wipes, burn treatment supplies. The durable water-resistant case makes it ideal for camping, hiking, road trips, overlanding, emergency preparedness. Many people underestimate how useful a proper first aid kit becomes outdoors. Small injuries can quickly turn into major problems when you're far from help. Cuts, burns, blisters, or sprains are common during outdoor adventures. Having organized medical supplies gives campers confidence and peace of mind. This is one gadget you hope you never need, but when you do, you'll be glad you packed it. Number 8. Dark Energy POSEIDON Pro Power Bank. Coming in at number 8 is the Dark Energy POSEIDON Pro Power Bank. Keeping devices charged outdoors is one of the biggest modern survival challenges. Phones, GPS units, cameras, and emergency devices all rely on battery power. The POSEIDON Pro is designed specifically for harsh outdoor environments. This rugged power bank is waterproof, shockproof, dirt-resistant, drop-resistant. Unlike ordinary power banks, it's built to survive rough treatment. It also supports fast charging and stores enough energy to recharge smartphones multiple times. For survival situations, reliable power can become essential. Your phone may provide GPS navigation, emergency communication, weather updates, flashlight functionality. Losing battery power in remote areas can create serious problems. That's why durable portable power is so important. The POSEIDON Pro combines toughness with performance, making it perfect for survival kits and camping setups. Number 7. Goal Zero NOMAD Solar Panel. At number 7, we have the Goal Zero NOMAD Solar Panel. Solar technology has completely changed outdoor survival gear. Portable solar panels allow users to generate electricity almost anywhere sunlight is available. The Goal Zero NOMAD series is especially popular because it combines portability with strong charging performance. These foldable solar panels can charge smartphones, Power banks, GPS units, portable batteries, cameras. Some campers pair them with portable power stations for nearly unlimited off-grid electricity. The biggest advantage is energy independence. Instead of searching for wall outlets, users can recharge devices directly from the sun. The foldable design makes transportation easy, while rugged construction allows it to handle outdoor environments. For long camping trips or emergency preparedness, solar charging can become incredibly valuable. It's sustainable, quiet, and extremely practical. Number 6. ESEE Survival Knife. Halfway through the countdown at number 6 is the ESEE Survival Knife. A survival knife is one of the most important tools anyone can carry outdoors. And ESEE knives are famous for durability and reliability. These knives are designed for real survival situations. They can handle wood processing, food preparation, shelter building, rope cutting, fire preparation. Many survival experts trust ESEE because of their strong fixed-blade construction and high-quality steel. The simple design focuses on toughness rather than flashy features. In the wilderness, reliability matters more than anything else. A dependable knife can help users complete countless survival tasks. Whether you're preparing kindling for a fire or cutting branches for shelter construction, a good survival knife becomes an essential companion. Some models even include MOSQUITO-compatible sheaths, fire-starting accessories, maintenance kits. For outdoor enthusiasts, this is one of the most trusted survival tools available today. Number 5. LEATHERMAN Signal Multi-Tool. Entering the top 5 at number 5 is the LEATHERMAN Signal Multi-Tool. This gadget combines multiple survival tools into one compact device. The signal includes pliers, knife blade, saw, hammer, screwdrivers, bottle opener, wire cutters. But what makes it unique are the survival-focused additions. It also includes fire starter, emergency whistle, knife sharpener. That means users can handle repairs, prepare fires, and solve unexpected problems using a single compact tool. Outdoor adventures often involve unpredictable situations. Equipment breaks, ropes snap, gear loosens. The LEATHERMAN signal helps users stay prepared for all kinds of challenges. Its stainless steel construction makes it durable enough for harsh conditions while remaining compact enough for everyday carry. For campers, hikers, and survival enthusiasts, it's one of the best all-in-one tools available on Amazon. Number 4. JACKERY Explorer Portable Power Station. At number 4 we have the JACKERY Explorer Portable Power Station. Portable power stations are transforming outdoor living. The JACKERY Explorer series allows campers to bring reliable electricity almost anywhere. Depending on the model, these units can power smartphones, laptops, mini refrigerators, lights, cameras, drones, small appliances. Many people use them for camping, van life, overlanding, emergency backup power. One of the biggest advantages is quiet operation. Unlike gas generators, portable power stations produce no fumes, no loud engine noise, no fuel smell. When paired with solar panels, they become fully renewable energy systems. This allows campers to stay off-grid much longer while keeping important devices powered. For content creators and outdoor travelers, portable power has become almost essential. The JACKERY Explorer combines portability, reliability, and user-friendly design into one powerful survival gadget. Number 3. GARMIN INREACH Mini 2. Taking the number 3 spot is the GARMIN INREACH Mini 2. Communication is critical in survival situations. But once you enter remote wilderness areas, cell phone coverage often disappears completely. The GARMIN INREACH Mini 2 solves that problem using satellite communication technology. This compact device allows users to send messages, share locations, track routes, access weather forecasts, trigger emergency SOS rescue services, and it works virtually anywhere in the world. That's what makes it so impressive. In dangerous situations, users can contact emergency response teams even without cellular service. For solo hikers and backcountry explorers, this can literally become life-saving technology. The device is lightweight, durable, and designed specifically for outdoor environments. Many adventurers consider satellite communication one of the most important upgrades for serious wilderness travel. It provides both safety and peace of mind. Number 2. LifeStraw Peak Series Water Filter. At number 2, we have the LifeStraw Peak Series Water Filter. Clean drinking water is one of the most important survival necessities. Without safe water, survival situations can quickly become dangerous. The LifeStraw allows users to drink directly from rivers, lakes, and streams by filtering harmful contaminants. This compact device removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sediment, and it does all this without batteries or electricity. That's what makes it such a brilliant survival tool. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry during hiking, camping, backpacking, emergency evacuations. Some versions can filter thousands of liters of water before replacement becomes necessary. Water is heavy to carry, especially during long trips. A portable filtration system gives users flexibility and reduces pack weight significantly. In real survival scenarios, access to clean water can become the difference between safety and danger. That's why the LifeStraw remains one of the most respected survival gadgets on Amazon. Number 1. BIOLITE CAMPSTOVE 2 Plus. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the BIOLITE CAMPSTOVE 2 Plus. This gadget perfectly combines survival functionality with modern technology. At first glance, it looks like a compact camping stove, but it's much more advanced than that. The BIOLITE CAMPSTOVE burns small sticks and biomass fuel to create heat for cooking. At the same time, it converts excess heat into usable electricity. That means while you're cooking food or boiling water, you can also charge devices through the built-in USB port. It's an incredibly smart system. The stove includes internal battery storage, USB charging, efficient airflow technology, portable design, smokeless combustion improvements. Instead of carrying large fuel canisters, users can gather natural fuel from the environment. Twigs, sticks, and small branches become valuable energy sources. This makes the stove highly practical for camping, survival situations, emergency preparedness, off-grid adventures. The ability to cook meals while generating electricity feels almost futuristic. For outdoor enthusiasts, it represents the perfect blend of sustainability, innovation, and survival practicality. That's why the BIOLITE CAMPSTOVE 2 Plus earns the number 1 spot on today's list. And there you have it, the 10 next-level survival gadgets on Amazon. From satellite communicators and water filtration systems to solar charging gear and smart survival tools, these gadgets are designed to make outdoor adventures safer, smarter, and more comfortable. Modern survival gear continues evolving every year, giving campers and explorers incredible new ways to stay prepared in the wilderness. Now we want to hear from you. Which survival gadget impressed you the most? Is there another outdoor tool you think deserves a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And if you want more survival gear, camping gadgets, outdoor technology, and adventure content, stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.